This beautiful, misty, rainy, gloomy day, I am at Leveled Up Luxe Rental. Today I am working with Gemar balloons. I am collaborating with BalloonsPlace. I will link them in the description under the video. Thank you so much for sending me all the balloons in this beautiful color palette that I am excited to work with. Let's go. Let's create something beautiful. I'm excited. I am inside. I unloaded. Look at this beautiful thing, and I absolutely love this wall and this congratulation sign. I will link Leveled Up Luxe Rental in the description under this video. Go ahead and check them out as well. So let's design something. Let's do this. Let's open this up together and see what we are working with today. And these all of the balloons. I am so excited to try the Latte. That's the Gemar's new shade. And this is my first time working with them. So we have a whole bunch of Latte in different sizes. We have Aquamarine in different sizes as well, like 12, 5, 19. We have Mint Green, 19, 5, 12, and also green in different sizes as well. Okay, let's start inflating our balloons. I am starting with the Aquamarine 12 and 19-inch balloons. I am grabbing my 12-inch balloons and inflating them at the same time into different sizes. Step is absolutely and totally up to you. If you want for your balloons to be a little bit more rounder, then press them against the floor yourself, the table, it doesn't matter, to give your balloons a little bit more of a rounder shape than it was before. Next, we are tying our balloons into a pair, tying our balloons as close as possible together because we need those long and stretchy necks. Grabbing a 19-inch balloon and 12-inch balloon, inflating them. I'm changing my mind over here. I am deflating my 12-inch balloon and adding one more 19-inch balloon. Tying these two into a pair and inflating two more pairs out of 12-inch balloons. I usually add two 19-inch balloons into my pairs. That's the max amount of 19 that I'd like to add into my clusters, just the way that I like my clusters to look. Two 19-inch balloons give me enough volume and it just looks nice. So let's inflate two more pairs with 12-inch balloons. Pairs are ready, let's cluster them. So two pairs of balloons and intertwine them together nice and tight so none of your pairs will kind of pop out of your cluster and go places. Adding one more pair, intertwining everything together again. And last but not least, another one and adding that in. And voila, just like that, we have a beautiful cluster of balloons. And just like that, we have a beautiful cluster of balloons. This is a bigger cluster of balloons. Bigger clusters of balloons are great to build the base of your balloon garland, balloon setup. You will fluff up your setup instantly with these. I will be repeating the same process with every other color that I have here, but I will be making smaller clusters and quads of balloons as well. This is a bigger cluster of balloons. It has 4 pairs of balloons intertwined together. Smaller clusters of balloons are 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together, and quads are 2 pairs of balloons intertwined together. Why I want smaller and quads in my setup? Because I want to be in control of how many balloons I want to add into one certain area of my setup. So let's repeat the same process with every other color. Let's go. using glue dashes to work on this section because using necks of balloons in this section is kind of impossible. It's very hard, and it's going to be very hard to achieve what I want if I would tie necks of balloons. So let's just use glue dashes. Pre-inflated whole bunch of 5-inch balloons. Now my dilemma is, do I fill in spaces with just quads, or I make really interesting clusters out of these quads and fill in spaces with those? I haven't decided yet. Let's see what's gonna look best and we'll go from there. Instead of building structural 5-inch balloon garlands, I just tied a whole bunch of quads together to create like bundles of 5 inches, and I really like it. As I said, it's not structural, it's more of organic. And let's fill in spaces with these. Here's how I made them. I am taking 2 quads and tying them by the necks of balloons. Random placement. It doesn't have to be structural. If it's structural, you can fix it later on. So there's 2, and then the third one somewhere random. Here you have a random cluster of balloons. You can absolutely twist them around, play around to create that random cluster of balloons, and pretty easy. This is my favorite part out of whole construction. I love artificial flowers. I love any types of flowers. I love to incorporate them with balloons. I'm excited to see how these going to look like. I got these and other flowers that I'm planning to use at Walmart just recently. If you check your local Walmart, you might find these if you're interested. So check Walmart out. Let's insert these.